Hi and welcome back to a new video. This video is gonna be about building a RC crawler course part 2. So for this video, I'm gonna start off here. So over here is gonna be a bridge. It's gonna start from here. It's gonna go between these two trees, and then it's gonna go down there. Also, I did get the material ready. Let's begin. Next, I'm gonna make some more obstacles using rocks and logs. Alright, so over here is gonna be a line of rocks and a line of logs. Alright, here's one more rock. I can put it right there. And two little logs. Alright, so that is it for this video. Bye.